What's up, YouTube? It's your Lemon. I'm back in another YouTube video. So guys, today's video is going to be a realistic day in my life. So now spend the day with me basically. It's not too busy, but we're going to be doing some stuff today. So right now I'm making my breakfast. I'm making oatmeal because why not? But I'm going to make some coffee. So I'm going to go get my coffee stuff. And yeah. All right, y'all. So y'all hear the pan clicking. I'm making oatmeal right now. It just clicks. All right. So we're gonna make some cold brew in my cute little jar. Y'all, this actually is. Okay. It's actually an old. Hold up. This is actually an old television bottle that I kept. I made it mine. Y'all, I would take my bonnet off, but I washed my hair last night and I literally did quite literally nothing to it because I washed my hair at like 10 something at night. We're gonna use this cold brew concentrate. It's caramel dulce flavored. One day I'll get a what's it called? A Keurig K-cup machine, something like that. But right now we don't have that, so this is basically equals one shot espresso. You do that, then you add 8 ounces of water to it. I'm gonna measure this time because last time I didn't measure and it tasted kind of bad. Hold on. I probably should have brought it in there. Dang. No, okay. So then we got this caramel creamer. There you go. When I'm editing, y'all, I can see that I talk very fast. I don't know if it's enough. No, I'm gonna just fold it up. Okay. So then what I'm gonna do is refrigerate this until I'm done making my oatmeal. Then I'm gonna show y'all my whole meal when I'm done. I think it's still water on the bottle. But yeah. Alright guys, so now it's like 30 minutes later. We got our oatmeal. Can you see? It has granola, hemp, flax, chia, pumpkin, walnuts. We don't have any cranberries. And then we got my water, my morning water. It's lemon. Oh no, I put lime today. Lime, mint from our garden, and cucumbers. I typically eat the cucumbers. You know what fresh tastes like? That's what fresh tastes like, okay? So I'm gonna eat this and I'm gonna catch y'all whenever I'm gonna get up to my day. But yeah. Alright, y'all, spend some time now. As y'all can tell, I know y'all get jump scared every time I do this to y'all, but it's hair time. And basically, I was gonna cornrow my hair to like 2, but I'm gonna try 4, but I don't wanna be frustrated. So I don't know yet. Lift the part, just a hot mess. Anywho, I washed my hair last night like I told y'all earlier, because it was Sunday, you know, it was Sunday reset. But I had work, so by the time I got back home, I washed my hair. It was already like 10-ish. I forgot what time I went to bed, but it was kind of late. So then I had laid back and play some music and play I don't know what it's called, Blockbuster Adventure Block, something with blocks. Okay, y'all, it's like it's like Tetris, but you put it there, it doesn't fall from the thing. And yeah, I was playing that and playing music, and then when I woke up again, it was like 7 o'clock in the morning. Then I went back to sleep, so I don't really remember. But I will say that the purpose of me saying all that is it just didn't happen. I just washed it literally. I put it in an afro puff, which I shouldn't have done. I should have just did 4 like braids. So all I had to do was take them out. But I was too tired. Like I didn't even cut the TV on. I'm watching on my vlog right now. Didn't even cut TV on to watch my show, and I'm trying to like keep up with it because I'm trying to finish it because I need to start finishing shows. I just be watching them and don't finish them. So yeah, I just want to chit chat because I always do these sped up. So I guess I'll talk to y'all now. But yeah, after this I'm gonna eat lunch, and then I'm a content plan because I'm trying to stay consistent this month. And then I gotta do both my brother's hair. That's gonna be near the end of the video probably. And then I think that's it for like the daytime. I don't know what I'm doing tonight. I really want to go to Sonic, y'all. I want a slushie so bad. But hold up. I want a slushie so bad, but haven't been able to go. And we went to go to the snow cone place, but I think they got a new owner, and I don't like the way that the ice is anymore. Like, the ice used to be so much better. I don't know if you've ever been to Rita's, but Rita's is so good. It's just far. Like, that's like a little drive to get there. So probably not be able to go there, but I will try to go to Sonic today, or to get boba. I just want a nice little drink, and if all fails, I'm going to Wawa to get a frozen lemonade. Y'all, put it on. Go get the frozen lemonade. All of them taste good. Actually, I haven't tried the matcha one, but all the other flavors taste good. I don't like the plain lemonade one because it's too sweet. Like, really, like, I eat a lot of candy. I know what too sweet is. That is just too much sugar. It's barely even lemonade to me. But yeah. So yeah, I do recommend, my favorite one is the blueberry pomegranate one, and that's really good. That's what I get from Wawa. From Sonic, I usually get this blue raspberry with Nerds, but when I went one night, she was like, it's late, and she was tired. She was basically trying to give me an excuse to watch it even in the wrong order, but I was like, I'll take it, and I drank it, and it was so good. It's called Blue Ocean or Blue Coconut, something like that, and it's just pina colada and blue raspberry. And I was glad she messed my order up because that was so good, and I haven't had it since that night. So that's why I really want some Sonic. So yeah, I'm only doing 2. I'm tripping. Doing 4 is literally like, I'm gonna come back when it's done because I don't want y'all to see me frustrated because this is the reality of me doing my hair. I'm gonna get mad. I'm gonna cut the camera off. So I'm gonna see what I do. Okay, guys, so I'm not even mad. We got 2 and a little bun. But it was just sad. But I want to try my coffee. It's actually good. It's not sweet enough for my liking. And y'all saw me pour all that creamer in there. But yeah, we're gonna do this side. It don't look bad, y'all. But I have to do it myself because, like, back to school season, back to school season, I wanted to do my hair in cornrows, but like my hair gonna look big, but who cares? Like, you can't even hide it no more. Like, well, I mean, I'm gonna say nah, I don't really care. But at first I was like, oh, my forehead big is, but now I just don't care because it's just like, live life. Well, I ain't even gonna say too much. Live life. I'm gonna do this side, then I'm gonna go make my lunch because I'm getting a little hungry. So yeah. Vloggy oggy. Just the hair. I gotta get into it. But yeah. Probably gonna have this hairstyle for the week and then take it out. But yeah, I was just showing my fit because y'all know I'm literally not doing anything at the moment. Y'all see good? Baby, you can't. Hold on. I'm gonna put y'all on the Let me make sure I'm look decent. It look good, y'all. I cleaned up this morning because, like, it's the first of the month. I gotta get my stuff together. Put my socks on. Y'all, my toenail polish is tipped. Let me know if y'all enjoyed the last video though. I think it was pretty good for like a vlog because y'all. Hold up. 1 second. Damn, I hate Mitchman socks. Okay. For me, not to vlog for like a good month and then hit y'all with a vlog because y'all know I usually just
Well, y'all might not know, but when I come back from like not vlogging or making videos, I do a sit down video. But yeah, y'all, for real, after not vlogging for a while, I really was gonna do a sit down video. But I was like, nah, it's summer. Like, summer vlogs don't really hit, you know? So that's what I did, y'all. This is the fit. I'm my charger up here. Oh, but yeah. How are my Vans with this fit? Shirt from Vans, pants from Marshalls, and shoes from Ladles. Y'all, these ain't the real Birks, babes. These my Birks, okay? But yeah, I'm about to go make lunch. I'm gonna show you my food because we already had enough talking about food early. I don't want to make it a food video, so I'm gonna just show y'all when I'm eating. But y'all, all right, y'all. So it's lunchtime, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. This fall on my bed. I'm cutting the cameras. It's gonna be a picture. I'm not risking it. Hold up. Let me just show y'all like this. Woo! If you ever had a poke bowl, it's kind of like that. But have y'all seen them cucumbers on TikTok? They go, hold on. They go like this, and they spicy chili cucumbers. They're so good. I made them. I haven't had them since after prom, so probably like a week after prom. But I was making them jakes. Actually, no, I had some before that. I was making them jakes a lot. Then I would add other vegetables. Like I added onions one time and like sliced peppers one time. It's just so good. If you like spicy, I don't like hot sauce spicy. I don't know how to explain. Like chili peppers spicy. That makes sense. I don't like the way hot sauce tastes, but I like the way chili sesame oil tastes. That makes sense. So that's what we got. I'm gonna try it with y'all because I told my mom I would try it with y'all because this is my first time making this all together. So we got tofu. We got some seasoned rice. Well, it's just rice vinegar and soy sauce, and then fruitaki seasoning, and then the spicy cucumbers. Call up my little whoop-de-whoop. You know what we finna do. I'm gonna get the recipe to the cucumbers on the screen because everybody needs to try this. But yeah, it's good, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm gonna do it. All right, y'all. So we doing the first head of the day. It's Monty. Well, second head because I did my hair. Monty. He let me line him up, y'all. He let me line him up.
I got a haircut tomorrow, 1:30. All right.
Hold the camera. I'm gonna show y'all my process, okay? I lost the comb. Show your hair. Hold up, chill. There you go. Wide tooth comb, water, detangle. Then you're gonna do your protective spray.
You already sprayed some.
I did?
Yes, you already sprayed some.
Oh shoot, it's okay. Go through.
Oh, you want to
like yes, a little bit. There we go. Like this, y'all. Like this. Then we got my purple. Oh, my purple blow dry.
Not her.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna do a smooth transition on Moxie here. Y'all see the itches. They never gave bald headed. Hello. Never. Ready? We'll tap it on your forehead, then we come back, your hair gonna be done, okay?
Alright.
Okay, I don't know what's going on. I don't live it. Hey, must be the money. Alright, they wanted to record it when they had a chop. So that's Moxie. Oh, don't do that. Just okay. Alright, y'all, so we're on the third head of the day. We have Donnie out here. We're starting at 11:10. I'm gonna catch y'all when we're done. Y'all do what Moxie did, okay? Alright, y'all, we all done. Turn to the left. Turn to the right. Wow, spinning. Okay, but yeah, y'all, so we're done with his hair, and now I'm about to get ready for bed, and y'all gonna get ready for bed with me, so.
Wow, I'm letting all my haters.
Alright, y'all, so I'm about to do my skincare, brush my face. Then I'm gonna go back to my room. I did want to share this one thing I got off TikTok shop. It's these cleaning towels for your face. No, it's a promo. But I do recommend them because after a while you keep using the washcloth, it's just gonna keep building germs or bacteria.
So yeah, just
back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. It seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you know with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back.
alright guys, so now it's about that time. It's like 12:40 a.m. This is realistic, right? So I really go to bed this late anyway. But before I go to bed, I'm going to write my to-do list for tomorrow.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You.
Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this realistic day in my life. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And Lemmy Squad, we are out.